Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we are going to be creating a pig, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is make a nice round circle on the left side of your piece of paper. Now that's going to be our face's head. We're going to make some ears that are upside down V's coming out from the top of our pig's head. And then we're going to move into the face. So let's make two ovals. And inside those two ovals, let's make a circle at the top, a small circle. And then we're going to fill in the bottom part with our marker. And that's going to create a couple of little shine marks or reflection marks in the eyes. Now we're going to go down to the bottom of our circle and we're going to make an oval with two dots that are filled in inside that oval. That's going to be our pig's snout. And then a dot down below, that's going to be the mouth of our pig. If you want to change this to a smile or a frown or anything else, you can go ahead and do that as well. To create our pig's body, we're going to start here in the middle of our circle and we're going to make a curved line coming up and then coming down past the line of our face of our pig. So we're going a little bit further. Now we're going to go to the bottom of our face of our pig and make a straight line coming down here. These two lines should be about even. So we're going to make our pig's feet down here. Pig's feet have a V, upside down V like this, and an upside down V here, and then we come up, and then we come up. We come over with a curved line, and now we're going to go and we're going to make some back feet, some back legs like this. So it's a straight line coming down and then a slanted line coming up. Same in the back, straight line coming down and a slanted line coming up. Now if you'd like to fill in the foot area, you can do that. So make a straight line and then fill that in with your marker or your crayon or whatever you're using to draw. So go ahead and fill that in. And I'll do the back one as well. And I'll do this back one. And this front one. There we go. Now let's put a little tail on the back of our piggy's body. And then let's make a little background for our pig. Oh, he's looking so cute, isn't he? Let's put a little background. So we'll put a line. And did you notice how I jumped over my pig? And then I'm going out the back like this. And I think I'd like to have my piggy standing in a puddle of mud. So I'm going to make just an organic shape, which is a shape that's doesn't really have any particular way that it's going. So you could just make any type of shape that you'd like. And then maybe I'll put a couple of clouds up here in the sky to show that it's a nice day. If you'd like to add a little bit of grass or flowers, anything that you'd like, go ahead and do that now. There you go. There's my piggy. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time.